St. Luke's University Health Network at a glance. St. Luke's has been a cornerstone of the Lehigh Valley for over 150 years. It was originally founded to provide industrial workers, many of them from Bethlehem Steel, with immediate local access to care, eliminating the long journey to New York or Philadelphia for critical treatment. That commitment to local business and community leaders is still in place today. Now a multi-billion-dollar healthcare system, St. Luke's is the largest hospital system in the greater Lehigh Valley region, with thousands of employees at multiple hospital campuses, strategically located throughout northeastern Pennsylvania and western New Jersey. St. Luke's has grown by partnering successfully with other entities like Sacred Heart Hospital, Blue Mountain Health System, Easton Hospital, Geisinger, Grandview Health, and Penn Foundation. St. Luke's has also strengthened its position as the Lehigh Valley region's dominant healthcare system by building new, full-service, state-of-the-art acute care hospitals. St. Luke's has hospital campuses in Allentown, Bethlehem, Easton, Stroudsburg, Coaldale, Lehighton, Orwigsburg, Quakertown, Sellersville, and Phillipsburg, New Jersey. Multiple St. Luke's hospital campuses have been repeatedly recognized among the top 100 hospitals in the United States. And in 2021, the university campus was named the #1 teaching hospital in the nation. We are proud to have been among the few hospitals in the country to have earned this national recognition so many times in multiple categories. The St. Luke's Network cares for tens of thousands of inpatients and observation patients every year, as well as hundreds of thousands of emergency room patients. St. Luke's University Health Network is the region's largest trauma provider, with fully accredited trauma centers. Nationally renowned for its orthopedics care, St. Luke's Orthopedics is the largest provider of sports medicine in the Lehigh Valley. We provide athletic training and medical services to over 60 schools. More people have been born at St. Luke's than any other area hospital. We have multiple neonatal intensive care units, and St. Luke's is consistently voted the place to have a baby in the Lehigh Valley. The completion of a pediatric specialty center provides easy access to specialists for our pediatric patients. Now a proud member of the Children's Hospital Association, St. Luke's is committed to improving the quality, safety, and cost of pediatric health care. St. Luke's is a leader in high-tech, minimally invasive procedures for cardiac care, cancer, neurosurgery, orthopedics, urology, women's health, and weight management. By merging with Penn Foundation, St. Luke's enhanced its ability to provide behavioral health and addiction medicine services to the region. St. Luke's provides hospice and home care services, as well as the largest number of walk-in care and physical therapy sites in the region. The network has been recognized by many of the industry's most prestigious organizations. CMS recognizes us as the only 5-star healthcare provider in the Lehigh Valley. St. Luke's leads all Pennsylvania-based hospitals in winning HAP Achievement Awards from the Hospital Association of Pennsylvania. We've been recognized by national and local third parties as the hospital network with the strongest brand. Polls conducted by the Lehigh Valley Business Journal and the Morning Call continually rate St. Luke's as the best hospital and health system in the valley. In 2025, the Department of Health and Human Services recognized St. Luke's as the #1 health system for quality, safety, and patient experience in the United States, ahead of renowned Mayo Clinic and Houston Methodist Health Networks. Throughout its history, St. Luke's University Health Network has been deeply committed to education. In 1884, we opened what is still the nation's oldest operating school of nursing. St. Luke's also brought medical education to the Lehigh Valley, launching the region's first and only medical school in Bethlehem in 2009. This medical school is a unique partnership with Temple University's Lewis Katz School of Medicine and resulted in the 2021 designation by IBM Watson as the nation's #1 major teaching hospital. We expect to graduate hundreds of outstanding physicians within a decade, many of whom will live and work right here in our own communities. Additionally, we have the region's largest accredited graduate medical education program, providing hundreds of opportunities for residents and fellows in a variety of programs. St. Luke's is the first rural training track family medicine residency in Pennsylvania, and we are currently investing in high-demand specialties such as psychiatry and dermatology. In the last century and a half, while healthcare has changed dramatically, St. Luke's dedicated physicians, employees, and volunteers have proven again and again they can respond to these changes with exciting, innovative, and bold healthcare solutions. St. Luke's ability to deliver the highest quality care at the lowest cost will ensure our future.